In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop to a specific size in Lightroom step by step using the desktop version. This is a super useful trick if you want your photos to match a certain shape for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, clients, or any project where consistency matters. And just so you know, Lightroom works a little differently than some other apps. On the crop tool, you're mainly choosing an aspect ratio, not exact pixel dimensions. But don't worry, I'll show you how to handle that too using export settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your desktop and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, press C on your keyboard to activate the crop tool. You can also find it in the editing panel if you prefer quicking instead of using shortcuts. As soon as the crop tool opens, look for the aspect ratio dropdown. This is where you decide the shape of your crop. Lightroom gives you preset options like 1:1, 4:5, and 16:9, which are great for common social media and display formats. If none of those fit what you need, choose the custom option and enter your own ratio. For example, if you want a wider image or a more vertical frame, you can type in the ratio that matches your goal. After selecting the ratio, click and drag the crop box to reposition your photo. You can move the image inside the crop area until the main subject is framed properly. Then adjust the edges if needed to make sure the composition looks clean and balanced. This is the part where you control what stays in the frame and what gets cut out. Now here's the important part. On Lightroom Desktop, the crop tool is based on ratio, not exact pixels. So if you're trying to crop to a specific size, like a perfect 1080 by 1350 or 1920 by 1080, you won't do that directly in the crop box. Instead, you'll use the export settings to get the exact output size. Once your crop looks right, go to Share and choose Export. In the export window, look for the Dimensions or Image Sizing section. This is where you can customize the final file size. Depending on your version of Lightroom, you may be able to set the long side, the short side, or specific dimensions for export. This is how you make sure your final image comes out in the exact size you need. So the simple formula is this: crop for ratio, export for exact size. That means the crop tool decides the shape, and the export settings decide the final pixel dimensions. If you're making content for social media, this is especially helpful because you can crop once, then export in the right size for the platform you want. For example, you might crop to 4:5 for Instagram, then export at the correct resolution so it looks sharp and professional. After you've set everything, click Export and let Lightroom save the file. And that's it. Now you know how to crop to a specific size in Lightroom the right way. Remember, the crop tool handles the aspect ratio, and export handles the exact size. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.